Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between private foundations and public charities. A private foundation is defined as a nonprofit charitable entity that is created by any single benefactor, usually an individual or a business. The benefactor makes an investment using an initial seed donation, which is then also dispersed by way of grants to other individuals or charities according to the charitable purpose of the foundation. On the other hand, public charity refers to solicitation of the periodic donations that they receive from a community. It has to at least receive 1/3 of the total contributions through the general public, and it uses these funds to support the initiatives like providing medical care, operating a homeless shelter, or other such charitable purposes. So, let's look into the basic differences between private foundations and public charities in a tabular form. Difference number 1. A private foundation is established by a single benefactor, whereas a public charity is funded through contributions from the general public. Number 2. A private foundation depends mainly on a single source of funding, whereas a public charity must obtain a significant portion of its funds from the community. Number 3. A private foundation operates using a stable endowment, whereas a public charity relies on continuous fundraising efforts. Number 4. A private foundation distributes funds through grants, whereas a public charity uses funds to perform direct charitable activities. Number 5. A private foundation offers high control to its founder or family, whereas a public charity is governed with broader oversight and accountability. Number 6. Decision-making in a private foundation is centralized, whereas in a public charity it is influenced by community needs and stakeholders. Number 7. A private foundation has limited public involvement, whereas a public charity actively engages with the community. Number 8. A private foundation is less accountable to public opinion, whereas a public charity is highly accountable to its donors and society. Number 9. A private foundation enjoys greater flexibility in selecting causes, whereas a public charity must align its work with public expectations. Number 10. A private foundation has more stable funding due to its endowment, whereas a public charity faces variability in funding due to dependence on donations. Number 11. A private foundation may reflect the personal interests of its founder, whereas a public charity generally addresses broader community needs. And difference number 12. A private foundation operates indirectly by funding others, whereas a public charity works directly by delivering services. So, these are the differences between private foundations and public charities. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.